Hello, today we are learning more about the preposition between. Where is the cat? The cat is between the dogs. Where is the giraffe? The giraffe is between the cars. Where is the ball? The ball is between the shoes. Where is the rabbit? The rabbit is between the trees. Where is the television? The television is between the animals. Now you know how to use the preposition between. Are you ready for your next clue? The next clue can be found here. Use the preposition between to find your next clue.
Created using Powtoon.